up, guys? 3 things I'm loving right now. So this week I want to talk about the at-home slippers that I cannot live without. These are from Land's End. These are fur shearling moccasin slippers. I happened to get mine on sale, lucky me, but I should have bought 2 pairs because I can't get enough of these. They're super, super soft. They're cozy. You can wear them with or without socks. They've got great soles that actually have traction, so you feel like you're walking on shoes, but you're not. You're just wearing slippers. And I find that they're very cute as well. They work great with all of the leggings that I wear all day long. Love these. Moving on to this great concealer from Becca. So this is called the Light Shifter Brightening Concealer. So theoretically, you're supposed to use this by itself. I find that it doesn't give me enough coverage, so I like to pair it with my favorite concealer. And when I use both of these hand in hand, the results are magical. Very, very nice. A great way for you to look like you've gotten 8 to 10 hours of sleep. And finally, I want to talk about a company called ThredUp. This is an online consignment store. So let's say you want to get rid of some clothes for you or your kids, but you're like kind of too lazy to consign it yourself. You just sign up for one of these clean out kits. They send this to you. You fill the bag up with everything. I'm talking shoes, clothes, swimsuits, accessories, sunglasses. They will go through it, they will see what they like, they'll try to sell the good stuff. If you make a sale, you get a little bit of commission from it. If you don't make a sale, they can either send you the stuff back or they can offer to recycle it for you. So it's good for you, it's good for the earth, it's a good way to make a little bit of cash, and it's a great way to make room in your closet for more stuff, or if you're trying to be minimalistic, less stuff. So there you have it, 3 things I'm loving right now.